Hi there, it's Laura here from iHeart Planners, and I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite meal planning service that will save you loads of time. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you take a second to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. So this meal planning service is called Eat at Home Meal Plans. And what I love about this service is that it is so simple. They give you access to several different versions of the meal plan with one membership, so you don't have to choose ahead of time. And they keep it really simple. So all I do, I've logged into my membership, and if you have purchased this ahead of time, you're gonna have access to several months right there, so you don't lose access to something that you've already paid for, which I think is super amazing. And then you just scroll down and choose your plan. So you can see here they have the no flour, no sugar option, and then within each option, you choose a different weeks that you would like, and it'll give you a little summary here. So for example, if you didn't want to use this every week, or if you wanted to reuse an old one, you could choose, like, even though it might be February 3rd, you could choose to use the menu from February 17th. So I love that. And then you'll see with each of the plans, there is a large or a small plan, and then I hang it on the fridge so you can print it out and obviously hang it on the fridge. So they have the healthier one, the no flour, no sugar. They have the slow cooker / instant pot. This is my favorite because I just love throwing things in the slow cooker in the morning and then being ready to go. They have a traditional meal plan and a wholesome traditional meal plan. You can also download files for the whole month. So I personally am going to use the slow cooker instant pot in this first week, and I just click small plan, 3 to 4 servings, and download it, and I hit print, and I'm ready to go. I either go to the grocery store with this list, and what I love so much about this list is that it's color coded. So if, for example, I only wanted to cook one less day than they recommend, or if there's one recipe that I don't love as much, I can just cross it off, and then I can easily see at a glance which items go to that recipe and cross them off. Then I can either go to the grocery store or order it online. And let me tell you, if you want to save some time, it's super quick and easy to do grocery pickup or do something like Instacart where they bring it to you by just sitting at your computer and using this list and going and searching for the groceries and getting your cart loaded up. And to show you how easy these recipes are, which is another thing that I love about this service, is how easy they are. And it truly does make it easy to eat at home. I'm gonna show you how I make this recipe. All right, so I'm gonna be cooking the slow cooker sloppy joes, and I'm gonna show you just how easy and quick these recipes are. Here's my slow cooker, and I always start out with lining the slow cooker with these slow cooker liners because it makes cleanup a breeze. So it calls for 1.5 pounds of chicken, which I have here, and I literally just dump that in, super easy. Next, it calls for a tablespoon of taco seasoning. It has a recipe if you'd like to make your own, but I'm just going to use this that I already have. Put in about a tablespoon. Then it calls for 15 ounces of tomato sauce, just a can. So I'm just going to open the can and dump it in. So I love these kind of meals where you just kind of dump everything in and let it cook all day, and then when you're ready to eat dinner, it's ready to go. So I've got the tomato sauce, and then it calls for 8 ounces. It called for salsa verde, but we don't prefer that, so I just substitute with my favorite type of salsa. And I love these recipes because they're usually fairly forgiving, and especially a lot of these crock pot recipes, you can easily substitute in ingredients. And since it called for 8 ounces, that's about half of this that I want to put in. And that is literally all there is to it. I put the lid on it. I'm gonna plug it in and set it on low for about 8 hours. And then when I'm ready to eat, I already have the shredded lettuce and the taco shells purchased, and our dinner is ready. So that's just one example of the easy meals that you can get with Eat at Home meal plans, and they can just save you so much time. I didn't have to think about this. I didn't have to plan or research ingredients. All I did was log in, print out this meal plan, and send my groceries order over to be delivered, and that's all there is to it. So be sure to click the link below if you're interested in checking them out for yourself.